Alright guys, so welcome to our last video in this upgrade. Then we've done from lesson 1 all through to lesson 8, and this is lesson 9. So yeah, I'm going to share with you top secrets to make your offers convert. Remember, we've talked on a lot of things, practical things, step-by-step things on what you need to do to get the best conversion, to get affiliates on your launch, and to get huge success on your launch. Especially the last lesson where I shared with you 2 things you must make sure you must not miss out. So in this last video for this upgrade lesson number 9, so I'm going to share with you top secrets that you can make that's going to make your offers convert like magic. Yes, even if you're having 1 affiliate, 2 affiliates, or 3 affiliates, or as many affiliates as you can, if you do this, you're going to get maximum results, maximum profit, maximum magical profits from your launches. So the first thing is your sales page. Yes, if you have done all the whole work, creating a product and everything, recruiting affiliates, setting up everything, and everything is perfect, well done, but then if your sales page is just a mess, it's just wacky, it's not professional, it's not, it's not just it's not looking, because I've seen a lot of sales pages that they have good ideas, good products, but then the presentation, the appearance of the page just it's just pisses one off. And that's one thing. Affiliates will never promote such pages that is not appealing, that is not that's not well presented, because they don't want to lose, they don't want to lose the conversion they always get on their promos. So what you need to do is to make sure it's clean, it's simple, and your content on the sales page is engaging. Yes, it's engaging, it's simple, straight to the point, and it's clean, it's neatly well designed with images, with screenshot, or whatever we want to do. And then most importantly, it's highly engaging. Now there are different types of sales pages, so whichever sales page you are going to, whether it's the traditional one or the modern sales page that's filled with colors, designs, and everything, then you need to make sure you still follow these three simple steps, CSE, which is make it clean, make it simple, and engaging. Maybe let me show you what I mean by traditional sales pages and the modern sales pages. So let me just show you an example. The difference is just that the traditional one is the regular one, where sales pages are just written in without designs, without images, without all these eye-catching, distracting stuff. Okay, here's an example. You can see this is a simple traditional sales page, just plain white and page. The traditional sales page, you can see just in a white and black. It's just filled with text. Yes, just text. Sales letters. As you can see, it's all filled with text. There's no design, no images, no colors, no distractions here and there, nothing to the other kind of sales page, which is the modern sales page. Yes, you can see this is the typical modern sales page, filled with color, filled with design, perfectly done. And then when you see this kind of pages, they actually convert a lot. They convert a lot. But the thing you see is it's simple, it's neatly done, and if you read through, it must be engaging. So that's just the 2 type of pages, sales pages, that you are going for. The modern kind of sales page, all you need to do is to make sure your sales page or your sales letter is clean, and then it's simple, and then it's highly engaging. That's going to get you a lot of affiliates having that, getting ready, getting set to promote your offer. So beside that, another thing you need to include on your sales pages to win the hearts of your affiliates is, number 1 is proofs. Yes, you need to share proof, results on your sales page, that this is how it works, this is a sample, this is a test, this is how this is what I've gotten, this is the results my customers have gotten, or you have gotten while using this software, and how it has made your business profitable. You need to put that on your sales page. Number 2 is demo. Also, you can also include them. If it's a software, an application, or a tool, you can include a demo, maybe how a 12 years old or 15 years old, or you, or probably an aged person, your grandma or grandpa or someone, or a stranger, use the software or tool or application to get results. And then Also, you can also include testimonials and review. You can give out you can give out free access to maybe your old customers, your subscribers, your followers, and then you share with them to use your tool or use your method or strategy, and then let them share their feedback. Let them share a testimonial or a review, or you can even ask for feedback, and then you flaunt all of that on your sales page. It's going to help you a lot, in fact, to gain trust instantly for any visitor that comes to your sales page. So the lastly here is also money back guarantee. I've seen some few vendors, especially those launching products on PLR, they skip they actually make it clear that they don't offer money back guarantee, but try as much as possible to offer money back guarantee. At least it can be 7 days, 14 days, or 30 days, or in fact 60 days. If you put it at 60 days, chances are no one is going to request. In fact, they're going to forget about it. But at least make it 14 days or 30 days. And if it's a software or a tool, 7 days is okay, because they just need, except they don't use the software, so they should be able to get results within 7 days or 14 days, and then you are done. So that's just the first set of tips. Number one, remember, make your sales page clean, simple, and engaging. Whether it is traditional sales page or modern sales page, obey these 3 rules. And then secondly, you need to have your proof, your results, and demo of your offer that you're actually making live, or your products you're actually selling out to the public. I also include testimonials, feedbacks, and reviews on your sales page. Yes, flaunt it right on your sales page, and then include a money back guarantee. So now, in fact, I want to go to the next slide right now, which is the most important. In fact, it is, let me say, 99% important. Let me say a 4.5 out of a 5-star rating. Very, very important. You need as much as possible to include as many as this on your sales page. Yes, you need to include all of this on your sales page. I've seen a lot of, in fact, most offers doing about 5 figures in launches, doing huge figures in launches, over 2,000 unit sales, 3,000, 5,000, 8,000 unit sales. They have, in fact, majority of these tips I'm actually giving you right now. Number one is case study. Yes, case study. No matter, I think you can try and research or do a case study, special case study on how someone used your tool, your weapon, your tool, your software, or your course to get results. So you can compile that as a case study. So you include it on your sales page that you're also giving a case study. You're going to show you're going to give them free access to see maybe a $7,000 and using your tool or your method or your strategy or whatever thing you're launching, how someone earned as much as so amount of money using your new offer. And so you make a complete case study and put it on your sales page. They're going to get access to that case study. Also, number 2 is bonuses. Yes, you can include as many bonuses as you want. That alone, in fact, just one bonus can make a visitor to buy your product. So also, number 3, you can also say that you're going to include some unannounced special mega bonuses inside, that you don't want to review them on the sales page, but when they get in, you're going to get these special, unique, unannounced bonuses. So number 4 again is a cheat sheet. Yes, you can create a cheat sheet or a checklist. A cheat sheet, just like a simple stuff, a simple guide, maybe about a page or 2 page on how they can access your course, how they can find their way around, or just a simple cheat sheet on how they can get started with your new course. And there may be a checklist on the steps, what they need to do, how they can actually check up on their status while they are going through your course. That's after they've purchased your product. So the next one, number 5, is a free premium training. Yes, you can also include an exclusive training on your sales page, that if they pick up your products, in fact, you're going to give them an exclusive training that you charge about $9,997 or $99 or a premium training that you once purchased before, and then it made a significant change in your business, or any training, anything that has actually helped you and you see it's a very valuable, highly valuable, maybe a new, maybe it could be a traffic system, it could be an, just any strategy, it could be, it could be maybe just a 20 minutes video, 30 minutes video, just one video. You look for a powerful one that it's actually irresistible, maybe how to get 5,000 subscribers in 30 days. You just look for any angle that you can use to, entice people to actually give you the money just to pick up your product. So lastly, again, you can include a mastermind group. Yes, that when they pick up your products, they are going to join, thousands of, like-minded marketers who are, achieving their goals, achieving their dreams, and getting results. And so they'll get access to mingle with them as well. So actually, let me go in now and show you example of what I mean. Or yes, example of marketers using this same strategy I'm actually reviewing to you. Actually, I'm using this strategy, and it helps a lot, gets me results a lot. So here is Secret Email System by Matt Bakak. I'm already also promoting this product, so you can see this guy actually, was actually giving out way lots and lots of value on this offer. Now this offer is priced, you can see, just $5.605 to get this book. But then you can see what he has included with your order. That is the book. This is the Secret Email ebook for just $5. But then you'll be getting a lot of bonuses. Bonus 1, you can see irresistible offer video guide. Bonus 2, Secret Email System checklist, you can see. Bonus 3 is the formula calculator. Bonus 4, you can see. Bonus 5, you can see. And you can actually check out this. You can buy this product for $5. You can buy this product, this ebook. Maybe I'm going to include a link under this video. You can buy it and then check it out yourself. But you can see this is over. Okay, this is 10 bonuses, 10, and you can see asset bonus 10, my private Facebook community, which is priceless. So you can see access to a private group of 20,000 plus email marketers. You can see, so this is amazing value. And you can see, so like, in fact, this was the reason why I actually purchased this product, because I wanted to connect with amazing email marketers. So I want to learn a lot, and I've actually learned one or two things already in that group already. So this alone can go a long way to convince visitors to invest on your products and buy your products. Actually, there are more bonuses and exclusive stuffs. Let me see if I can actually find my way to his bonuses, to all his bonuses. I think I found. Let me see. Let's try and see if we can okay. I think I'm already at the bottom of the page. All right, so let's see if I can. Yes, you can see. Okay, gigantic swipe file. Okay, this is bonus 8, bonus 9. Okay, I think there was a place I was seeing. Okay, yeah. Okay, it's still the same thing. It's still the same thing. It's still the same thing. Still same thing. So you can see, guy was giving out a lot of bonuses just for, and he has done over 5,000 unit sales on these products. Yes, look at the bonuses. 10 bonuses given out. You can see what he's actually doing, and then for just $5. But the upsell now, you can see what I've actually said in the previous lesson. Let your front end be low and 100% commission. Then in fact, it's upsell. The first upsell to one, the upgrade one is about is $97. So you too can do that. Let your front end price be minimal, and then the upsell price be higher. So let's check out another example. All right, so we're back to another example, which is Moshibari's sales page. So you can see here, this is the system is actually selling Instaminator. That's the system. And then if you scroll down, you can see now it's giving a software, which is also part of what is actually selling. Then if you now read down, it's now saying once you pick up Instaminator, they're going to get access to, you can see, a quick cash overview, which is a checklist, and then a step-by-step video guide, and then an automated software again. Then with a case study, you can see with a case study, and then also, in fact, it went further again and said, if you pick this up today, you can see you get a launch week bonus, which is also a fast profits checklist, and then you can see access to a VIP Facebook community and coaching. So you can see everything. And then if you now go ahead and then you now summarize everything again and see all what you'll be getting when they pick up that same product. So that's exactly what you need to do. You add checklists, case studies, bonuses, everything you can do, access to your Facebook group, general support, free training, exclusive training. Pack all these things together, and then you will see you're going to get massive results, massive conversion, and affiliates are going to come on board promoting your launch. So that's all for today on our final lesson on this upgrade OTO1. on how to make magical profits. I hope you're going to take action and implement all these things and give yourself life-changing results. Thank you once again, and I'm going to see you in the next upgrade. Thank you, and bye-bye.